identified. I am the student of this college. This is identified. I am student of this college. So Tribals Act 2006 also identified tribals. They have the right to claim their ownership act under the 2006 Forest Rights Act. First, we have the everyone have the properties, buildings, agricultural land, commercial land, everyone is there. And we have the documentation also there. And we have the direct economical connectivity with the property. Okay. When you come to the tribals, they don't know anything. They don't know any knowledge. They don't know any documentation. They don't know second definition of the work. But they have the strong emotional connectivity with the land. That is their documentation. That is their authentic evidence. So, why I am using my tribals? Because before the civilization evolution, everyone is a tribal. I am is a tribal. You are is a tribal. All mankind is tribal. And I love and respect that word tribal because my all ancestors are belonging to that particular community. So friends, finally, Bhagwan Birsa Munda to Bhimrao Ambedkar